What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Red Snow, and I got a banger for y'all today. You know, I got my man's Cool Exotics and more right there. We are out here in Houston, Texas at Icon Exotics Euro of Houston, and behind me is some heat, y'all. You know, we have the GT3 RS followed up though with the fat wing. You already know we love the fat wing. And if y'all want to check out Cool Exotics and more channel, his link will be down below in the description, man. And we have this beautiful GT4 RS, another fat wing. Love the carbon fiber on that bad boy. And then we have the Audi R8, of course. The Audi R8, of course, y'all. Look at that man posted next to it. And then we have the 765 LT. It is gonna be a crazy day today, y'all. You know, we just may be hitting the track, you know, so you will see these beauties go around and hear the sound of that engine, you know. And then we have this beautiful M4, and this is a special edition M4, y'all. Not no ordinary M4, it's a special edition. So what I want y'all to do is, I want y'all to stay tuned and get prepared for this content. We about to get lit, man. We are in the M4.
CSL, baby, competition sport, lightweight.
Heck yeah, if y'all don't know this man's in the driver's seat, just know this man is a driver. He is a driver, and he's about to show us right now, y'all. God dang. We're doing some test laps right now so he can get a feel for the car. Acceleration on this thing is dead. As y'all can see, this man is a driver, and these are test laps. So compared to most of the cars you've driven, how does the M4 hold up to you?
Well, CSL, you know, getting immediately out of a GT3 RS, it's a lot more tail happy. Obviously, you know, it's a front engine, rear wheel drive car. It's turbocharged. It makes a lot of torque, so it constantly wants to step out on you. Steering's pretty direct. It's not super connected feeling, but it is direct. The car is heavier, certainly than the Porsche, and it doesn't have as much mechanical grip. But at the limit, it's a very friendly, it's a very forgiving car. So, you know, you can really have a lot of fun with it. And it might not be the fastest way around a circuit, but it is certainly one that you're going to be smiling. And other than that, I'm very impressed with the calibration work on this 8-speed CF gearbox. It is worlds apart from the normal M4. The CSL software is the shit.
Thank you. Sideways, baby. Man, you are one badass of a driver, bro. You are, if not the best driver I've ever driven with, man. You are highly skilled, man.
You like oversteer in 3rd gear, 4th gear, 5th gear?
Oh yeah, I love that. I love it. Woo! Man, this dude is a beast. You know, how long have you been driving for?
Racing competitively, this is my 1st year, but I've been in go-karts and shit since I was little.
Oh yeah.
I tune street cars for a living. I drive something different every day.
Nice.
Well, right now we're on a cool down. Let temps go down to normal before we put it in. That way everything stays nice and happy. And I'm gonna put this up because I'm starting to feel nice and comfortable before I absolutely just fucking max sauce these tires.
Alrighty. Alrighty, y'all, we're hopping out of the M4. Thank you for that ride, sir.
Of course, my friend.
That thing was beautiful. It was totally epic. I love it. Oh my goodness.